It's time for a Smarty Bit. Little bitty bits of smart.
Okay, so I'm going to log into my demo server called HA Demo, and I'm going to go down to Settings. Then we're going to go into our Add-ons menu. In the add-on settings, you see that we have ESP Home and a file editor. These are add-ons that we added for previous videos, and today we're going to add a new one by clicking the Add-on Store button down at the bottom. And I'm just going to search to make this easy. We're looking for Mosquitto, M-O-S-Q, and you see that it's Mosquitto with 2 T's, a play on MQTT. So we'll click on Mosquitto Broker here, and we're going to click Install. All right, once it's installed, the next thing we want to do is turn on the watchdog. This will just restart the add-on if it happens to crash. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is go over to the configuration tab here, and we're going to make a small change to the customize section. We're going to say active is not false, but we're going to make it true. Setting active to true here is going to allow us to do some custom configuration, which is important for integrating ServoGX into Home Assistant. The folder key here is already set to Mosquitto, and we'll leave that there, but we need to remember that it's Mosquitto. We'll click Save at the bottom, and then we'll go to Info and click Start. Once this starts, we'll be running an MQTT broker on our Home Assistant server, which in my case is a Raspberry Pi.